Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we're gonna be checking out a little product I got for my seats. Basically, it's probably like what you could consider a temporary seat cover. I bought this because I wanted sweat protection and dirt protection to protect my cloth interior, my seats, but I also didn't want a full-time seat cover, which is more expensive. And once you put it on, you can't really take it on and off to enjoy your regular stock interior. So this seemed like a great idea, and it's going to give me the waterproof protection, basically the sweat protection I'm looking for if I'm coming from the gym playing sports. And the price wasn't too bad either. It's about $25 a pop, and what it does is it slides over the headrest of your car, and it just lies and protects basically 100% of your seat. It's got a nice neoprene finish with a non-skid rubber back, so that it don't slide underneath you while you're sitting in the car. I got it in black to match the interior. It doesn't stand out, and it feels nice and comfortable when you sit in it. It's almost like a full-time seat cover. But when you want to enjoy your stock interior, you just roll it up out of the way. It has these little straps where you can secure the roll. You can easily store it in the vehicle very easily, get it out the way. And another thing I noticed is that I have headrests in the back seat, and they're good for the back seat also. You got kids, you got a dog, and you're doing an outdoor activity where you need temporary protection for your seats. You just unroll, throw this up, and you're done in a couple seconds. It's got a good weight to it. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty well built. For the price that I paid and for the job that looks like it's gonna be able to do, I feel I got my money's worth, and I like the option of having it when I need it and get rid of it when I want to enjoy my stock interior. If you like this content and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and check out my other car videos and the other videos on my channel. Thanks for stopping by.